Asia Ventures Private Limited, Sky Fancy presents Northeast Aerosports Hot Air Balloons and Paramotors Fiesta 2023. India's first Aerosports and Hot Air Balloons Fiesta will be held in Manipur. This event will feature skydiving show, paramotoring, hot air balloons, cultural shows, food and fun fair, fashion event, experience rock concert to another height, and a lot of other exciting events. Come and experience the once-in-a-lifetime experience. Explore the hidden gem of nature, Loktak. Experience the ultimate sky high at Fiesta 2023, Manipur.
First, the top stories. Chief Minister N. Biren lays foundation stone for Rats Medicity Multi-Speciality Hospital at Kurai, Chengangbam, Lekai, Infal East. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur members storm residence of Thangweiban SC MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan and submit memorandum. Second National Conference of Midday Meal Workers Federation of India calls for intensifying fight for basic rights of 26 lakh midday meal workers. India records 1,132 fresh COVID cases along with 14 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News. I'm CHRISTINA LEIVON, and now the news in details. The Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today laid the foundation stone for the Rats Medicity Multi-Speciality Hospital that will be built at Kurai, Chengangbam, Lekai, Infal East. Works Minister Konthozam Govindas, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, CAF and PD Minister El Susindrom Meite, and Chairman and Managing Director Rats Medicity H. Rajan also attended the event. Chief Minister N. Biren emphasized that the government gives the health and education sectors top importance and works hard to enhance them. The state can now produce about 500 MBBS in a year with the expansion in MBBS seat from 100 to 150 at Chenims and the inauguration of Churachandpur Medical College with 100 MBBS seats. According to him, this will partially address the state's doctor shortage. The state government has planned to establish medical colleges in some additional districts. He continued in response to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's desire to create a medical college in each district of the nation. The Chief Minister spoke on initiatives taken up by the government to provide accessible healthcare services to the public, including CMHT, Ayushman Bharat, and Health for All schemes. He reported that more than 3 lakh people had received tests and checkups, and that more than 700 communities had been included in the Health for All programs.
COVID की मतलब राजनीति ने पांग की पर नया मधु खाने हाले तो मैं फोन तो लाऊं रखा मधु की पेट में तो लगते हैं करो ICU और यार मशीन सोने ICU वाले ऑक्सीजन anything Adu Yaradi, our party to be that Launa Fonda in Guna the Pun the Zoili, and the Kibani, other CHRISTINA Pan Hiba, P. Hiba Corporation, Manipuri President Kauroi, Manipusakana Kauroi, Adugumba, Lurba Tanza, we could see the hospital authorities in private OVI, government OVI, lobby room and government guy from the butchery, nurses in the doctors in the I request professionalism, professional ethics, Madunda best or can walk over. Marway Comedy, doctors in the I was in Apple Tony.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM stormed at Thangmeiban SC MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan's resident and deliver a memorandum demanding the inclusion of Meitei and Meitei in the ST list. Speaking on the matter, MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan stated that Manipur's sporadic protests were to blame for the unmet demands, flagging his support for all state-led initiative for development. He said everyone should support the STDCM's demand, and for him, he had already brought up in the House discussion about the inclusion of Meitei and Meitei on the ST list. He said visiting house to house to get the public's opinion on it is must. If the central government learns that every Manipur resident wants it, they will give it on top priority. Being a new member of the ruling party, he is not well informed about the state government's decision with regard to the demand. He said concerning the matter, he will talk to the concerned authorities, including the Chief Minister.
The memorandum Pedring Ida, I Ishan House the Putogram. MLA Amana Assembly the Wapom Puki by MLA Dugi the Magi, Sapsawa Philips Punto. I will solve some of the Puntoki by history del Oridoini Assembly the Gang of Pudum recorded Masina Manipugi, Miamda, might take a Tanatana, Akoi Sing Tampano, Shina Kadaba, Akoi intentions, people see Kadnaba Honarapada, Adugamashi, Akoi Pangwam Topa, Sapsavari, House expressed the lawyer. Aranga see a move, reminder of Havenatan, I know. Like the idea. Already idea house the law for idea demand to demand discussion. Then I'm sang and anger of Nedana, Aramasi, Yam Chap Sapa, Madam Sapa, Hongangabani, Miamna Pamba Polish government in local Kanebo. Whether it is state government or central government, Sanctuary, who was a Manipur Miam, whoever, Maruina, majority meditation, Masipa, maybe say Punaba, Yum Dong to me, Sanctuary campaign over, Rakale, and Masimdan Kamsaki.
The Second National Conference of Midday Meal Workers Federation of India MDMWFI held on 4th and 5th November at Hyderabad, Telangana has called for intensifying the fight for basic rights of 26 lakh midday meal workers of the country. MDMWFI will hold protests throughout India on 11 December 2022 for minimum wages and pension for the workers who are now paid only Rs 1,000 per month, that too for 10 months. Federation will oppose the efforts by the central government led by BJP to dismantle the MDM schemes, which is now named as PM Poshan, by budget cuts involving corporates and NGOs, etc. AR Sindhu Secretary C2 said that the corporate communal BJP government is trying to communalize and privatize the MDM scheme in spite of increasing malnutrition and hunger. She called upon the delegates and to strengthen the independent and joint movements for the rights. She stressed upon the worker peasants' unity to fight back the anti-people police of BJP government. The delegate session was conducted by 18 members, presidium which includes Arambam Thoi Chanu of Manipur. 23 delegates participated in the discussion. Participating in the discussion, Kangjam Ibemcha Devi highlighted the movement of the midday meal workers in Manipur. The report was unanimously adopted after a threadbare discussion. Nearly 260 delegates, including 7 delegates from Manipur, participated in the conference. The conference elected a 51-member working committee with Arambam Thoi Chanu and A. Manglimba from All Manipur Midday Meal Workers Union. Taubal Forest reigns under the supervision of Taubal Forest Division DFOTH. Lokendro conducted drive from early morning at Ikop Lake and Waitau Lake under Taubal Range today. During the drive, numerous nets used to cage wild birds were retrieved from Waito Lake. Beat officer staff, ranger staff, Taubal Wildlife Warden W. Ramchandra and Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WBCC Manipur President took part in the drive led by Taubal Forest Range Deputy Ranger MD Aslam. Speaking about the drive, Deputy Ranger MD Aslam said that the drive was conducted to conserve many wild birds that will be migrating at the lakes as winter approaches. He urged people not to kill wild birds because they are beneficial to humanity in many ways. According to an order released by Deputy Secretary Home Government of Manipur, there will be 3 inner line permit counters at railway stations, namely Wanggai Chungpo, Rani Gaidinliu and Tingo. It is also mentioned that the OC of Tausim Police Station will be authorized for issuing ILP at Wanggai Chungpo and Rani Gaidinliu Railway Station, whereas OC of Kongsang Police Station will be issuing ILP at Tingo and Kongsang Railway Station. It is also said that the order should be enforced immediately. Democratic Student Alliance Manipur Desam organized a Ningol Chakoba program at Junior High School Kwakaitel today. During the event, President of Desam, Lamyanba Meitei, stated that the Ningol Chakoba has been observed since ancient time and Desam has organized today's events as a part of continuous observance every year. He added that Desam had invited every student and activist who had taken part in the state issued to the event today. This made the Ningol Chakoba function different from others. A small feast with the Ningol on this day, he added, will reinforce the bond between brothers and sisters and provide everyone a chance to come together to work for the society. A Ningol Chakoba ceremony was held today at Ima Kongdong Larambi, Haraubung of Hainaw Makong, Laikai More, Ward Number 7, under Indo-Myanmar border town More as a part of the 30th Social Development Youth Club SDYC Foundation Day. The event was organized by the SDYC Hainaw Makong More. The event was attended by Meitei Council More President Mayang Lambam Toiba, SDYC President Asem Lalit, and SWYC General Secretary L. Bozendro, CWC Advisor L. Inaucha Meitei, YTTL Advisor Toiba Ningtauza, Ekodom General Secretary L. Kamal also attended the function. The organization also extends its regrets to all the Ningol who were excluded from the event and also wishes to extend an invitation to them the following year. In today's event, SDYC Advisor and its members, leaders of 5 More Meitei Laikai, had feast along with the Ningols. Time for a short break. Keep watching.
Kasha Ventures Private Limited, Sky Fancy presents Northeast Aerosports Hot Air Balloons and Paramotors Fiesta 2023. India's first aerosports and hot air balloons fiesta will be held in Manipur. This event will feature skydiving show, paramotoring, hot air balloons, cultural shows, food and fun fair, fashion event, experience rock concert to another height, and a lot of other exciting events. Come and experience the once-in-a-lifetime experience. Explore the hidden gem of nature, Loktak. Experience the ultimate sky high at Fiesta 2023, Manipur.
Welcome after the break. As part of the national-wide campaign Empowerment of Citizens through Legal Awareness, District Legal Services Authority Infal West, in collaboration with DC Infal West, organized a legal awareness camp mega beneficiary camp for the public of Infal West District today at Kuruganayani Hall, DC Infal West Office Complex, Lamphilpan. The legal awareness program was led by District and Session Judge Infal West, Chairman District Legal Services Authority Infal West A. Guneshwar Sharma, in the presence of Chief Judicial Magistrate Infal West, Secretary District Legal Services Authority Infal West Jangolan Haukip, AC to DC Infal West Madan Gopal Lystrom, and Superintendent of Police Infal KSH Sivakanta Singh. Addressing at the event, DLSA Chairperson A. Guneshwar stated that the legal awareness program was organized as the National Legal Service Authority program under Pan-India Outreach Program. He said the camp provided various public services such as enrollment of Aadhaar card, labor card, CMHT, medical checkup, e-court services, consultation by Forest Department, counseling by Social Welfare Department on child abuse and violence against women, legal counseling and legal aid services, and assistance on various government schemes, facilities, etc. The public will be more aware about the government schemes from this scheme and how to obtain legal assistance as well.
DC Infal West ka ako'y kusam naraga wasi makamsir pangthok sabne alusa yawi department se amba health ki yaure labor ki yaure ko CMHT card saba khotpa tari social welfare ki ko forest ki education ki mayam ma yauri program de koi 13 bok sakani koi ki sigi program se dum koi year long sakni na hosi ki akoi kasi khana jabada Infal West ki every third Friday se miyam ki numit pangthoi hai koi legal service su sida partner mo raga ko ju mayam da legal ki at piba aduga my TSC advice lo ko ko ju stall mo ha ga participate torni na kasi lojare aduga SP su DC su ko district legal service authority ki member ngakne aduna koi mayam le hungya legal service ki mayam jaw se kari gi na aduna ko si yawjare.
One-day mega legal awareness camp for empowerment of citizens through legal awareness and outreach, a Pan-India campaign, has been jointly organized by District Legal Services Authority, Tamenglong, and District Administration Noni under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority and National Legal Services Authority today at Multipurpose Hall, Longmai Part 3. And Rajnikanta Singh, District and Session Judge Tamenglong, Joseph Paulin, Kamsant Deputy Commissioner Noni Y. Adai, Dengmai Chairman Villages Council Longmai Area, K. Rosent Singh, Assistant Commandant, 10 Assam Rifles, Noni, along with 10 Assam Rifles, police personnel of Noni villagers, including women, senior citizens, and youth attended the event. During the event, District Social Welfare Department, Government of Manipur, Juvenile Justice Board, Child Welfare Committees, District Child Protection Unit of Tamenglong and Noni, District Police Noni, Forest Department, Noni One Stop Center, Noni have joined the camp by installing their respective stall. As a part of the camp, one legal awareness program has also been organized. Namsadai Peter, Additional Superintendent of Police Noni, has deliberated on the topic procedures for filing complaint or lodging FIR in police stations, information. Various resource person has also spoken on various topics. Education and communication IEC materials are also distributed for spreading legal awareness. Tengnopal Battalion of Assam Rifle, under the aegis of IGAR South, foiled cross-border smuggling of WYI tablet in Tengnopal district. Based on generic input yesterday, a team of Assam Rifles was sent for patrolling near Kwatha Junction, and the troops spotted a suspicious gunny bag in the thick foliage of the jungle. On thorough search, 15 packages of WIY tablet worth ₹7.5 crores were recovered from the bag. The recovered drugs have been handed over to More Police Department for further investigation. As part of their learning process to motivate the students to improve their knowledge and adopt extracurricular activities, Loktak Battalion of Assam Rifles, under the aegis of Headquarters Inspector General Assam Rifles South 2nd District Level Essay Competition, Bisnupur, was organized by People's Baptist Ministries, Manipur, at Jehovah Jireh English School. Thamna Pokpi, Bisnupur district yesterday. The aim of the competition was to bring out the potential of the students, which are essential elements of all competitive examinations. Total 120 students of Jehovah Jireh English School, Thamna Pokpi, participated in the event. Kuga Battalion under the aegis of IGAR South organized a medical camp and a lecture of cancer awareness at border villages of Hyangtam Kuno and Jo Kuno in Churichampo district today, in continuation to its efforts to improve mutual trust and to maintain peace and harmony in the region while simultaneously addressing the medical requirements in the underdeveloped border villages in Churichandpur district. A medical camp was organized for the locals of Hyangtam Kuno and Jo Kuno villages. This opportunity was utilized to raise awareness among the locals on type causes, prevention of cancer, including the palliative care. The lecture also focused on effects of cancer on physical as well as emotional and psychological well-being of patients, families, and caregivers. A total of 150 villagers attended the event. They were examined by the Assam Rifle Medical Team and were also given essential medicines. AR Modi Battalion under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South conducted a security meeting of village heads of the different villages at Moltuk COB to discuss security coordination aspect yesterday. Various projects pertaining to development, cleanliness, pre-recruitment, training, and educational were discussed. The village authority expressed their gratitude towards the Assam Rifles for helping the locals through various projects and providing timely medical assistance, and assured their continued cooperation to the security forces with the command cause of maintaining peace and harmony in the area. Lunch for all village heads was also organized at the COB. The Jiribam District Administration award ceremony for the accomplishment of 100% first dose COVID-19 immunization to all eligible persons in Jiribam District was held today at Deputy Commissioner Office, Chingdong Lekai, Jiribam. During the event, W. Malimnganba Chenglei, DC Jiribam, A.K. Sadananda, Additional SP Jiribam, and Dr. E. Okendro, CMO Jiribam, also attended the function. To show exemplary progress towards maintaining 100% COVID-19 vaccination in the district administration distributed awards to 32 persons, including CSOs and officials. According to Deputy Commissioner Jiribam, W. Malimnganba Chinglei, today's event demonstrated the power of unity. At least 9 people, including 2 police personnel, were injured when CPIM and BJP supporters clashed at Teliamura in Tripura, Kawai district. CPIM leaders and supporters had gathered at Koronglong, around 30 kilometers from state capital Agartala, for a meeting on yesterday night. According to Sub-Divisional Police Officer SDPO Teliamura, Prasunt, Tripura, when the meeting was going on, a group of youths suddenly attacked the CPIM activists, who also put up resistance that led to a clash between two sides. He said at least 9 people, including 2 policemen who were deployed to provide security to the CPIM rally, were injured. A strong contingent of police and Tripura State Rifle, led by the SDPO Teliamura, rushed to the spot and brought the situation under control. All the injured persons, including the 2 cops, were taken to Teliamura Hospital, from where 3 injured CPIM activists were referred to GBP Hospital in Agartala for better treatment, he said. The SDPO said police have registered as suo motu cast in this matter, and all involved in the incidents will be issued notice shortly for investigation of the case. India recorded a total of 1,132 fresh COVID cases, along with 14 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,60,579. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 1,479 have been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total day toll in India stands at 5,30,500. Out of the 14 fatalities, 5 were from Kerala, 3 from Maharashtra, and 1 is from Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka, Sikkim, West Bengal, and Uttar Pradesh. The total active cases have declined to 14,839 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.78% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 219.72 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the national-wide vaccination drive. Now let's look to the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren lays foundation stone for Rats Medicity Multi-Speciality Hospital at Kurai Chingambam, Lekai, Impal East. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur members stormed residents of Thangmiban SC MLA Kumukcham, Joy Kisan and Summit Memorandum. Second National Conference of Midday Meal Workers Federation of India calls for intensifying fight for basic rights of 26 lakh midday meal workers. India records 1,132 fresh COVID cases along with 14 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us.